This keyboard right here comes in two flavors, a full-size mechanical keyboard with 104 keys or a TKL version with 87 keys, with 3 different toppings, Otomo red, blue and brown switches. Essentially they are same as scale switches. Now the keycaps right here are double shot ABS plastics. Now this is a floating style keyboard right here, so the lighting is a gentle glow compared to a flush style keyboard with a illuminative or reflective plate. Now the benefit to this design is the ease of cleaning and maintenance. You can pop out all the keycaps easily, use an alcohol swab or clean cloth just to wipe off all the gunk, dirt and animal fur that may get stuck in between keys. The package comes included with 2 removers, the plastic one for the keycaps and the metal one for swapping the switch, which they include 4 extra in the event your switch fails on you. This is a modular keyboard where you can pull all the switches and customize to your liking. For example, the main left side can be red switches and the right side can be brown switches. So the long switches right here are using cross stem with switch base stabilizers on the very end for all the long switches right here. So there is zero rattling sound occurring on the keyboard itself. The bottom features 6 rubber feet including on a single stage stand. There is 3-way cable management and a place for the keycap remover. The cable is 1.8 meters long, soft braided type with a gold plated end. The single stage stand or leg can extend the height by roughly 1.1 cm. My hands is measuring 18 cm by 10 cm wide, kinda large, but when it comes to the travel between the keys right here, I would say it's a good spacing as my hand can nearly cover the entire keyboard when it comes to the typing alphabet surface area, and I would say it's a gentle curve on the sides right here. Now talking about the sides, the top right here is an alloy plate with a thick plastic bottom right here, so if you try to flex the keyboard it will not break apart. In fact, I tried to break it under my head, you can see it bends, but it's built like a tank. You can kill a bear with this keyboard right here in Russia if you are staying in Russia and killing bears, but don't do that. In the software, you can switch between 3 profiles and customize each of the keys on the keyboard, from new shortcuts, macro functions, as well as adjusting your polling rate. Breeding color cycle, breeding fixed color, horizontal wave, pulse wave, hurricane, reactive ripple, reactive single, reactive horizontal, vertical wave, waterfall, swirl, sin wave, vortex, raindrops, diagonal wave, intensity, ripple. So this keyboard right here is well spec, well built for the price right here. If you're interested in this keyboard right here, links in the video description where you can check the updated price and where you can purchase them. Now, if you're interested in Tecware gaming mouse comparison video where I compare the Vector, the Top and Impulse Pro, links in the video description where you can find them as well. Remember to like and subscribe, share this video and comment below where you're from and what other gaming hardware we should review in the next video. See you guys in hopefully the next Tecware review. Bye.